This is a house that's a bit scruffy. And this is a man, me, who's also a bit scruffy.
Hello.
Hi. This is the living room of the same house, and the word scruffy doesn't quite cover it.
It's different to most living rooms. Most living rooms have got a couch and a TV and a lamp. This has got a wet vac and a chop saw and a lamp. And a lamp. Yeah, wrong kind of lamp. Still a lamp.
That's Anna.
Hello.
The wife of the man, my wife. Anna's my wife.
One day, Anna said, let's build a shed so we can move all of the tools out of the living room and live in the living room.
What a good idea. But TV people would say that story doesn't have high enough stakes, so let's pretend that she said,
if you don't move the tools out of the living room in 3 weeks, I'm going to divorce you.
What the hell was that? Was it a bee? Some kind of poo? I don't know what's real anymore. Are you going to divorce me?
Maybe.
Maybe.
So, to sum up, I need to build a shed or I'm getting a divorce, or at least that's the story I'm telling you. I always wanted to do these kind of shots, you know. It's like on Panorama or the local news. Well, look at me now, living the dream. I might do another one. We've already made a start. I'll show you some time lapses. Most of this show will be time lapses. Is it a show? It's a series. I'm going to bring it out every week. So, you know, tune in.
So, yeah, that's it. Off to a good start. See you next episode. Tell a friend. Tell 2 friends. I need a catchphrase, maybe. I'll come up with a catchphrase. Kick a duck. Don't kick a duck. Don't kick a duck. No. Squeeze a chicken. Give me a second. That's horrible. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. I think it's over. Yeah, okay, bye.